All right, so check this out. Today we're going to talk about Quant Network and give you all the price prediction update, trying to show you where we suspect the market is about to go so that you all can be prepared and not question and wonder why did the market in Quant Network go up or down. Welcome to the channel. Let's go ahead and break this down first. Our price prediction, you guys can see right here that we did in Quant Network going all the way back to December the 24th, 2023. You guys can see that we expected the market in Quant Network at that particular moment in time to go up. Now, not only did we expect it to go higher, we expect that resistance would come in around $145, and that is where the market in Quant Network topped out. So don't let people tell you that you cannot time where price is going to go. That was the top right there in Quant Network, because since that time, the market has gone lower in price. So congratulations to you if you also determined that around $150 was going to be resistance before price went lower. That is 18.5% into the market in Quant Network. The good thing about this particular situation is that the market gave you ample amount of time to grab that 18.5% out. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. You guys can see that this particular area is still seen as a sell zone. So that's one thing we're going to draw on the chart now is the updated sell zone. These other two sell zones here are no longer applicable. And these buy zones down here in Quant Network are definitely no longer applicable because price is trending lower. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay, you guys can visually see as I zoomed out the price chart that Quant Network is trending lower. So how low will we see the market go? Because another negative aspect of this chart is us seeing price in Quant Network break this trend line. So you should not be bullish right now into the market in Quant Network. It is what it is. The market has its ebbs and flows, and right now it looks like the flow is to the downside. So let's go ahead and draw that. So we're just going to visually hold this trend line right here for Quant Network. It's pretty swift too. Look at how steep that slope is into the market for Quant Network right now. But we're going to focus our attention on these areas right here for buyers. Okay, we're going to focus our attention here for buyers into the market in Quant Network. Now I wanted to show you the monthly chart since we're starting out on a new month today. Let's take a look at how the month ended in Quant Network. Look at that. That doesn't look pretty good, does it? The prior month, December, was pretty good. You would expect that the market would have enough juice to continue to go up in price, but in January, it completely lost steam and price came all the way back to where it started a month ago. That tells you that price currently is weak in the market in Quant Network. Take a look at this on the 5-day chart. Okay, it just completely fell off a cliff after we had this fantastic 5-weekly price bar right there. Taking this out on the 3. Okay, so let me just kind of show you already where I suspect we may see the market buyers hit the market in Quant Network. We're going to clean it up once we break it down to a daily chart, but that's the vicinity right there that I'm looking at now. Here it is on the 2. Okay, so yeah, we're not seeing any strength on any of these daily time frames. Here it is on the daily chart. Here's Quant Network. Quick look on the weekly time frame. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks and the 3. So the good thing that I can say is that currently it doesn't look that bearish in Quant Network. This would be the other level that I'm looking for the buyers to hit the market if they don't hold that first zone. Okay, so back on the day, let's see if we can straighten up those buy zones real quick. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave that one there. This area right here is where I'm looking for the buyers to hit the first initial point, and then the second area in Quant Network will be down here. Right around that vicinity. Look at this on 330-minute chart. See if we get any strength on a hourly basis, minute basis. So far, I don't see anything. There is a small buy zone right here on the 330-minute chart. Buyers initially stepped up there, and they did it again there. But I don't think it's going to hold, especially when you look at this on the monthly chart. But it may hold in the short term, i.e. hourly charts. Okay. But yeah, I'm actually finished. You know, the market is pretty much deterministic on continuing to see lower prices, and that's where we're going to address on this video. Is looking for Quant Network to continue to trend to the downside. Okay, So let me put this on the daily chart. And let's see what we get in terms of a forecast prediction in Quant. So now these two targets, our first target is right here at the first buy zone. Now our target includes either price hitting the top or the low in between that first buy zone. At the low, that will give us 7.05%. Second target is going to be between $86 and $84.60, either the high or the low. That gives us around 17% movement to the downside from where price currently is trading at. So let me show you where our sell zone is in relation to our prediction. Here is a sell zone here for Quant Network. And I'm gonna do another one. It's right around here. This is a big one there. So definitely we can see how the market has been trending in Quant Network this week. We need to wait until we get more information that buyers are holding a zone. These are the first two areas that I think that they're going to try to do it, but they may not even do it here at either of those two zones. It could continue to go lower in price. I just want you all to be prepared for the weakness to continue in Quant Network until we see a bias change in this particular cryptocurrency. All right, so I am done. I want you all to go ahead and give me your thoughts now as to where you think the market at Quant Network is going to go. It did participate in the last couple of weeks of trading in 2023 with many other altcoins to where Quant Network went higher. But now it seems as if the trend has been broken in that aspect. And now we're starting a new trend, which is one of lower prices. So we definitely need to keep our eyes open on that time frame to when we'll notice buyers are hitting the market. Okay, so real clean, real simple price chart understanding. I want to make sure that you guys understand that it doesn't have to be a complicated game. You don't have to utilize technical indicators to figure out where are the buyers, where are the sellers, and you actually win at this. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.